Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine. I am Komal Riaz. I am your English teacher from Darul Arqam School, Madinatul Hujaj campus. So class, page number 23. Today we have to complete our second unit reading. Unit number 2, asking permission. We have done the half part yesterday and today we have to continue our reading. Okay class. So are you ready? So let's complete our next part. How interesting is it? Page number 23. He wanted to catch the thief. One night he saw Bala go into the field. He followed him. What is the meaning of followed? Underline the word followed. To move behind someone. To go or to move behind someone. He followed him. Bala went straight to the brinjals. As usual, he asked the field for permission to take the brinjals. Then he gave himself permission, but before he could pluck the brinjals, underline the word pluck. Before he could pluck the brinjals, what is the meaning of pluck? To pull something from the ground, ठीक है, or to pull something is called pluck. Now here he plucked the brinjals. Bhutta jumped on him. He threw Bala across his shoulder and carried him to a pond near the field. There he threw him on the ground. In this paragraph, as you know that Bala went to the field again, and as usual he took permission from the field and plucked the brinjals. But this time Bhutta was watching all this and he jumped on him. He threw the Bala across his shoulder and carried him to a pond near the field, and he threw Bala on the ground. Pond, pond, said Bhutta, how many times should I dip this fellow into your water? Now Bhutta is also pretending as a pond. Now Bhutta is acting like he is a pond. Now he was pretending, Bhutta, pond, pond, how many times should I dip this fellow into your water? And pretending to be the pond, he replied, not once, dear Bhutta, dip him 100 times or 200 times or more. Now Bhutta was pretending as a pond and he replied, not once, dear Bhutta, dip him 100 times or 200 times or more. Bala got home very late that night. He was soaking wet. What is the meaning of soaking wet? Underline it. Soaking wet, extremely wet. Okay, now Bala was extremely wet, but he never stole any brinjals again. Why he never stole anything ever again? Okay, students, our story is completed here. Now tell me, why? Why he never stole anything ever again? As you see that at the end of this story, and at the in the last paragraph, Bhutta definitely gave punishment to Bala, ठीक है, and that's why he was feeling very ashamed. He felt very sorry because of stealing. And now let's see some difficult words of today. Thief, a person who steals something. Followed, to move behind someone. Pluck, to pull something. Soaking wet, extremely wet. Okay, these are the difficult words you can see, and you have to write these difficult words in your notebook, and you have to read today's paragraphs and today's half reading also, and then you have to send me the reading and I will give you remarks. Okay class, and you also have to give me the answer why he never stole anything ever again. As you know that stealing something is very bad habit. and Bala also got punishment from the Bhuta because he stole brinjals from from Bhuta's field without his permission. So that's why Bhutta gave punishment to Bala, and he got punished. Stealing something is very bad habit. Okay, so we should always take permission when we want to take something. As Bala got punished because he took brinjals without permission. So at the end, he felt sorry and he felt ashamed and he never stole anything again. Okay, class? So we should never take anything without the permission of others. Okay? So this is today's work that is done. So now you have to send me your audios and videos and also underline difficult words, and you have to write these difficult words on your notebook again. So we will do the exercise tomorrow. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.